Hey guys, this is a review for these brood frames that go inside of our beehive. You can see the quality of the build is very nice, very solid wood here. We have the black frames, which I prefer because they're easier to see the comb and the bees on it versus the yellow. And then when it comes time to attach these units, because they come in a kit all broken down, I use a nice nail gun, and literally there's there's a nail there, a couple on the corners, and we're done. And we've assembled this nice big brood frame. It literally takes probably less than 5 minutes to put this thing together, and you can get all your nice big brood frames. And here we have our beehive, and this is the 1st of July, so it's getting near the honey season. And we have all brood frames in the bottom, these two bottom boxes, and so we're going to need to probably replace them because they're going to fill up with honey. That's why we need to have these brood frames, because we're going to need to pull some out of here, and we need some big ones, some new ones for our bees, so they have more space so the queen can lay more eggs. So thanks for watching. Follow our Amazon storefront for more DIY and outdoor related reviews. Thanks.